How to enable dynamic refresh rate on Windows 11. So before anything, for this feature to work or to be usable in your settings, your device must meet several requirements. So your display needs to support at least 120 Hz refresh rate, which is most commonly found on the newer laptops with the built-in panels, and your GPU must be compatible. Typically Intel 11th Gen or newer, AMD Ryzen 5000 series or newer, or modern NVIDIA graphics. You're also going to need updated graphics drivers that support WDDM 3.0 along with a recent version of Windows 11, which is 21H2 or later. So the dynamic refresh rate is mainly designed for laptops to improve the battery efficiency, so it may not appear on desktops or when using external monitors, even if they support high refresh rates. And if the option is missing, updating your drivers and Windows version is the first thing you can try. But in many cases, it simply means your hardware doesn't support DRR. So once you have that all set up, just go ahead to your system, and in system, go ahead to your display, scroll down until you find the advanced display option, and the dynamic refresh rate should just be found directly here. So once you have the prerequisites pretty much enabled or allowed, just go ahead and turn it on. But that's pretty much the process on how you get your dynamic refresh rate enabled. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.